I'm gonna share with you some analytics from my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna open this app. I have 30 subs. I have 32, but I'm gonna say that I have 30 because one of those subs is myself. So I have 30, and I'm gonna click on this area right here. As you can see, I have green arrows. That's a good sign. If you get red arrows, is that you're losing views. That's what it means. So I'm gonna open it, and this is real-time views. In the last 48 hours I made 500 views, which is very nice. I'm gonna click there, and then this is for the last 48 hours. You have more analytics here. This app is awesome. Then we're gonna open in the last 7 days, and I have almost 1,600. As you can see the graphics right here, and I have green numbers, which is great. And one thing that I'm always looking at is this one right here, real-time views in an hour or 60 minutes, and I always look at this, so I have like a closer approach, and I kind of know how much my channel is growing. And I have 16 views in the last 16 minutes, and just I love this part of the analytics because it makes me think that I'm doing something else, I'm somewhere else, but my channel is working, and I love that for some reason. Like you're in one place, but you have something that is working aside, and you can be in like two places at the same time. So that's my perspective. That's the way I look at it. And let's go back, and here we have like real-time views on videos. Why my phone doesn't record HD video, why my phone is not loud enough. And these are a couple more videos. This is in Spanish, and this one right here, how to upload HD video on YouTube from your phone, and things like that. And these are my top videos, and I want to talk about this right now. I have a video that has a lot of views, and it's called how to remove a pop socket, but it's in Spanish. And I was talking about this video with someone else, with one of my friends, and he told me, oh, that video is so simple, it's like, who's gonna watch that? No one. And he was kind of right, because English speakers didn't watch that video, but Spanish speakers, they watch it a lot. So this is my top video, how to remove a pop socket. And it has, let's compare it, okay? Here we have it. How to remove a pop socket, 15 views. How to remove a pop socket in Spanish, 1,292 views, 26 likes, 1 like right here. So if you have any idea about a video, just get it done. Don't listen to people, because as you can see in English, of course it's a stupid idea because it's not generating views. But if you think about it, in Spanish, it's doing well. It's actually the most viewed video in my channel. Take a look at this, most viewed videos right here. How to remove a pop socket, boom, is the most viewed video. And also I have a very stupid video right here. That's what other people told me. Some of my friends told me that this is so stupid, like how to get a screenshot from your phone with no buttons. And this is doing well too, I mean, at least from my perspective. And yeah, this is how I'm doing. And I want to share some other analytics. Audience: male 57%, female 42%, age from 18 to 24 years old. One more thing that I love to look at is top countries right here. So my channel is being watched in Mexico, Argentina, United States, Colombia, Chile, Spain, Peru, Ecuador, Venezuela, Dominican Republic, Panama, Guatemala, Uruguay, El Salvador, Bolivia, Paraguay, Honduras, Canada, Indonesia, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Brazil, Puerto Rico, India, Portugal, Morocco. So this is another thing, like if you make a channel in 2 languages, you're gonna get more views straight up, because of course if you speak Spanish, you're gonna get your audience who speaks Spanish and vice versa. And yeah, this is what I love, and this is my progress in the last 3 months. I started in January and it's been almost 3 months. And I also wanted to share this analytics, because I had a YouTube channel in the past and I had this in my mind to share my results and how I'm growing, but for some reason I couldn't do it. I was being lazy. So now that I'm growing another channel, I don't wanna miss that opportunity. And also I'm gonna share with you how many videos I have done. So this is the total, 82 videos. So I don't care right now. I know I'm putting a lot of work at front, but this is how the good stuff work, right? It takes a while. It takes a lot of work, a lot of patience, but I'm just gonna keep doing it. And my first goal is to reach 300 videos, and my second goal is to reach 100,000 subs. Hopefully I will do it someday. This channel is gonna be evolving, but it's gonna be in the same topic, the same niche. It's gonna be about apps, YouTube, and someday I'm gonna be in camera. Right now I don't have a lot of videos where I'm in camera, because most of my videos are about my screen and things that I do on my phone. But yeah, one day I'll be in camera and I will talk about some other experiences that I've had in the past. So yeah, this is it. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.